visited our wetlands restoration project in Livermore, California this last week, where nature is getting a much-deserved facelift. Our client is putting the finishing touches on an initial landscape installation after wrapping up grading in November. And now, as we work our way through winter, we've rolled out our Hydroseed cover, which is a vital step in our restoration journey. But what exactly is Hydroseeding? Well, think of it as giving nature a helping hand. It's a mix of seeds, mulch, and water that gets sprayed onto the ground, encouraging vibrant growth in a very natural way. One of our priority tasks this past week was to see how well it is taking root. Our inspection also included assessing the need for additional shrubs and trees according to our approved restoration plan. This isn't just about planting a few seeds or shrubs, it's about creating a thriving ecosystem. And we want to ensure that this space is not only beautiful, but also supports local wildlife and plants. Our mission goes beyond just beautification. We're here to help our client meet the final conditions of their permit approvals, paving the way for something truly special, a memorial garden right next door that will serve as a peaceful sanctuary for reflection and remembrance. Restoring wetlands is crucial for our environment. It supports biodiversity and helps manage floods and even improves water quality. By restoring this area, we're not just checking boxes, we're contributing to a healthier planet. Stay tuned as we continue to nurture this project and watch it flourish into something extraordinary.